students, welcome to chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss preparation, properties and uses of dihydrogen. So, dihydrogen is one of the major component which is highly used for many compounds preparation in the laboratory, especially ammonia preparation, fertilizers preparations or major role in the case of hydrogen. So, this hydrogen preparation is very much important. In the laboratory, how hydrogen is prepared? From the metals reacts with metals, we are used to prepare hydrogen in the large scale. The highly reactive metals such as sodium, potassium, calcium vigorously reacts with water to form hydrogen. For example, sodium reacts with water, it gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. In the similar way, calcium reacts with water, gives calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. And also metals reacts with dilute acids. Zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen method. It is a normal and very important method of preparing hydrogen in the laboratory. Instead of using sulfuric acid, we are using hydrochloric acid also. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. So, these are the laboratory method of preparing hydrogen. It's a normal way we are preparing hydrogen. Commercial method of preparing dihydrogen by electrolysis process. Electrolysis process of water. Water is a neutral compound. We can't directly used as a electrolysis process. This compound is water is not directly used as a component for electrolysis because it is neutral in nature, it does not give ions in solution. So, in this case we are adding certain amount of dilute acids or alkali, then only it gives ions. Suppose we are using this hydrogen, water electrolysis to give H plus and O2 minus, H plus and O2 minus. Suppose here 2 H plus and 2, so 1 O2 minus ion. We are taking 2 molecules of water means it gives 4 molecules of H plus and 2 molecules of O2 minus. So, we know that it is a cation move towards the cathode. Hydrogen is liberated at the cathode, oxygen is liberated at the anode. So, normal electrolysis process of preparing hydrogen from water. And another one is water gas reaction. Normally the alkanes is treated with water in the form of steam. Methane is a gas, is treated with water in the form of steam, it provides carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas. And another one is the Gastification reaction. Gasification or synthesis gas or syn gas. Carbon is treated with, or carbon, that is the coal, is treated with water in the form of steam at the temperature of 1270 Kelvin, it provides carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The same water gas is obtained. And also this method is used to prepare large quantity of methanol in the laboratory also. Water gas shift reaction. Carbon monoxide obtained from the coal gasification process, it is treated with water. It gives water at the temperature of 673 Kelvin and iron chromate act as a catalyst. it gives carbon dioxide and hydrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So, these are the methods which are used to prepare hydrogen in the large scale. So, apart from this, 77% of hydrogen is obtained from petrochemical reactions, 18% of hydrogen is obtained from burning of coal, 4% of hydrogen is obtained from electrolysis process, and remaining 1% is obtained from other sources. So, these are the preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory as well as commercial method of production. So, you should learn all this type of reactions: water gas reaction, coal gasification and water gas shift reaction. These are somewhat important in the examination point of view. So, now we are going to discuss the chemical reactions of hydrogen. Chemical reactions of hydrogen. Hydrogen readily reacts with halogens. First of all, halogenation, reaction with halogens. Hydrogen explosively reacts with fluorine, gives hydrogen fluoride. In the dark condition also the reaction takes place. Hydrogen explosively reacts with fluorine, gives hydrogen fluoride. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine. In the presence of sunlight, it gives hydrogen chloride. In the presence of sunlight only the reaction takes place. Hydrogen reacts with bromine. By heating only the reaction takes place. It provides hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen reacts with iodine. Using catalyst only the reaction takes place to provide hydrogen iodide. The reactivity of hydrogen towards halogens decreases from fluorine to iodine. So, these are the reaction with halogens. And reaction with nitrogen. Hydrogen reacts with nitrogen in the presence of iron as the catalyst at the temperature of above 500 degrees Celsius and 200 atmospheric pressure. It gives ammonia as the product. Ammonia, 2 molecules of ammonia, 3 molecules of hydrogen reacts with a molecule of nitrogen, gives ammonia. This process is called Haber's process. Haber's process is highly used for the preparation of ammonia. This ammonia compound is highly useful for preparing nitrogen containing fertilizers. This is very important reaction. Hydrogen reacts with nitrogen in the presence of iron as the catalyst. Certain temperature and pressure it gives gaseous form of ammonia. Reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Hydrogen reacts with sodium. Electropositive metals like sodium, it gives sodium hydride, metal hydride. Hydrogen reacts with sodium, gives sodium hydride. Hydrogen reacts with magnesium, gives magnesium hydride. Magnesium hydride as the one of the product. So, these are some important chemical reactions of this hydrogen. And also it reacts with organic compounds. Hydrogen reacts with organic compounds. Addition reactions. Addition reaction, especially ethylene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel as the catalyst. So, it gives ethane as the product. Hydrogenation process. Hydrogenation of olefins or hydrogenation of alkynes in the presence of any kind of metal catalyst, it provides the hydrocarbons. So, finally, the uses of hydrogen. In the large scale synthesis of ammonia with the help of hydrogen. The ammonia is highly useful for making nitrogen containing fertilizers and somewhat in the pharmaceutical companies. and it is used for the hydrogenation process. Hydrogen is used for hydrogenation process. It is used for the organic chemicals. I already told you carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen, gives methyl alcohol. And manufacture of hydrogen chloride and other chemicals, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide are prepared with the help of this hydrogen. Hydrogen is used for preparing the metal hydrides. From the metal hydrides, we are using this metal hydrides with the other metal halides. We are getting the reducing agents such as lithium aluminum hydrate, sodium borohydrate, etc. And also one of the very much important, very important usage of this hydrogen is hydrogen, liquid hydrogen act as a fuel for the rockets. Propellant, rocket propellant, it acts as a rocket propellant. So these are some important uses of this dihydrogen. So I hope all these concepts are understood each and everyone. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.